English is spoken all over the world. Seatbelts must be fastened. My car was stolen last night. Did you notice something? All of these are passive voice sentences. The focus is on what happened, not who did it. Hi guys, my name is Teacher David. In today's lesson, I will show you how to form the passive voice, why airlines, news reporters, scientists, and even governments use it, and also lots of real-life examples you can copy. Stick around to the end. I'll give you a quick quiz with 6 sentences to test yourself to see if you can take it to the passive voice from active, and I'll also include a downloadable worksheet in the pinned comment that gives you a great opportunity to practice with different tenses. It's completely free. Click the pinned comment and download. So, let's go. What is passive voice? Passive voice is when the object of the action becomes the subject in the sentence. So instead of focusing on who does the action, we focus on what happens. So remember, your basic sentence structure is subject, verb, object, with the subject being the most important part of the sentence. But here, we're going to change it around and make the object the subject, meaning we will be focusing on the object. For example, active, the chef cooked the meal. Passive, the meal was cooked. The meal was cooked by the chef. We don't have to say who did the action at the end. Sometimes we won't want to. I'll talk about that later. But you can if you want. It's really not an important part of the sentence. So the formula: subject, verb to be, any tense, past participle by subject. Now, when we say past participle, this is the correct terminology, but most of the time we refer to it as verb 3. So anytime you see me say past participle, I mean verb 3. Okay? So how to form passive voice? We take the object from an active sentence and we make it the subject. Add the correct form of the verb to be, which as previously stated is any tense. Add the past participle, verb 3, of the verb. Add by person agent only if you need to. People speak English all over the world. English is spoken all over the world. Why and who uses passive voice? So there are about 6 different reasons I'm going to give you today as to why and when we use passive voice, when we don't know who did the action. My wallet was stolen. The window was broken last night. So with my wallet, instead of saying someone stole my wallet, the someone is not important. My wallet being stolen is important. Again, with the window being broken, someone broke the window last night. The someone is not important. The window being broken is the most important part. The next one is when it's not important who did it. News agencies use this style all the time. A bridge was opened yesterday. 2 people were injured in the car crash. The next reason, and this one's quite important, when we don't want to say who did it. Governments and businesses often use this. Mistakes were made during the process. Not you made mistakes. Mistakes were made. We're not blaming anyone. The mistakes were there, but we're not saying who did them. The application has been declined. Not we declined your application. We're just saying the application has been declined. To make rules and commands sound more polite and formal. So this is important in the hospitality industry. Airlines, hotels, schools, any official bodies. You are requested to fasten your seatbelts. Mobile phones must be switched off. Homework must be submitted by Friday. So not you must fasten your seatbelt. You were requested to fasten your seatbelts. When the object is more important than the subject. Books, inventions, products. The Harry Potter books were written by J.K. Rowling. I met her in Edinburgh Airport a number of years ago. The light bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. This smartphone was designed in California. To sound scientific, formal, or objective. So this is used by academics and scientists. The experiment was conducted in controlled conditions. The vaccine was developed after years of research. Extra everyday examples. The classroom is being cleaned right now. Dinner will be served at 7 p.m. The problem has already been solved. Your order has been shipped. It's always a good message to get. Okay, a quick recap. Passive voice plus the verb to be in any tense plus verb 3, past participle. We use it when the person is unknown, unimportant, or not mentioned. The object or result is more important than the subject, or when we want to sound polite, formal, or neutral. That's why airlines, governments, scientists, schools, businesses, and all the news outlets all use passive voice every single day. As promised at the start of the video, it is quiz time! So now it's your turn. Change these 6 active sentences into passive sentences. Pause the video if you need more time. I'll put them all on the screen right now and I will give you 30 seconds. Okay guys, how did you do? I'm sure you did perfect. Well done. Pop them in the comments down below. I will check them, any corrections if needed, but comment down below, I will read them. That's great. So what did we talk about today? We talked about how to form the passive voice, the structure, why airlines, news reporters, scientists, and even governments use it, and we threw in lots of real life examples you can copy. So that was promised at the start. Now guys, come on. 80% of you are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button so you get notified right away about the new videos. Come on, I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. I've only got 2 more to get to 100. That's a big milestone for me. I want you on this journey with me. So if you do like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and click here to watch my video on reported speech, because both of these go hand in hand. Thank you for watching to the end, guys. And I will see you later.